After 1 month builder gel refill, no lifting, no breaks. Here's why. 1. Proper nail prep. 2. Correct application of builder gel. 3. Clean cuticle work. And 4. High quality product. And 5. Proper curing. Step 1. Proper nail prep. First, I remove about 80% of the old gel. Then I use a hand file to gently remove the shine and any oil from the natural nail surface. Let's see the steps. This step makes sure the new gel will stick properly and last longer. And number 2, the cuticle work manicure steps. For the manicure, I use a flame-shaped sanding bit to gently lift and clean around the cuticle area. I don't apply any pressure, just let the drill bit do the work. This step helps create a clean surface for the builder gel and prevent lifting. Then I use a nipper to carefully cut the excess cuticles. I always work gently without any pressure to avoid cutting the skin or causing bleeding. Next, polish the cuticle area with a ball bit to ensure a clean finish and remove any traces of nipper work. And for this step, correct application of builder gel. Start with a thin base layer, slip layer, to ensure proper adhesion. First, apply a thin layer of builder gel without curing. Then apply a thicker second layer on top. How do we know if the builder gel is good quality? It should apply smoothly without bubbles, cure evenly without burning, and stay strong for weeks without lifting. Never forget to seal the side walls with your brush, liner brush, and make sure they are covered with builder gel. Use a cone-shaped bit to clean around the cuticles. Remove extra product and make the surface smooth. You should apply no pressure with your hand in this step. Then use a hand file to refine the nail shape, making it smooth and even.
این شعر و ورا رو بگید.
فکر کن بابای من اون موقع افسر شمشایی بود، دانشجو.
اونم چقدر باید بیشور باشی به خاطر
دانشجو
دیگه
بود.
یه عده هستن دیگه به خاطر
اون موقع به قول مامان من یه مد شده ضد شاه.
In the final step, apply a thin layer of your gel polish, curing each coat for 30 seconds. Each layer should cure 30 seconds. In the last step, apply the top coat carefully, avoiding the cuticle area, and cure for 90 seconds under the UV lamp in the last step.